Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage customer feedback with SurveyMonkey. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to SurveyMonkey's website. Log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't yet. Once logged in, click on the Create Survey button located on the dashboard. Choose a template that best fits your feedback needs or start from scratch. If you're starting from scratch, select Blank Survey. Enter a title for your survey to clearly specify its purpose. Begin adding questions by clicking the Add Question button. Select the question type that suits your feedback, such as multiple choice or open-ended. Formulate your questions to be clear and easy to understand. You can also add images or videos to enhance the survey engagement. Once your questions are set, rearrange them if needed by dragging and dropping. Preview your survey to ensure everything looks correct before sending. When you're satisfied, click the Next button to move on to the distribution options. Choose how you want to send your survey, such as email or social media links. Set the collection settings according to your preferences, like anonymity or response limits. After configuring settings, click Collect Responses. Once responses start coming in, navigate to the Analyze Results tab. Review the collected feedback using charts and graphs for easier understanding. You can filter responses to focus on specific demographics or time frames. Generate reports to summarize the feedback effectively. Share these reports with your team to discuss improvements or changes. Regularly check back for new feedback and adjust your survey as necessary. That's how you can effectively manage customer feedback using SurveyMonkey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.